Creating and saving an HTML document. Let us start with the designing of first web page by using the basic tags. Step 1. Open the notepad and write the following HTML code. Step 2. Click on File menu. Step 3. Click on Save to open Save As dialog box. Step 4. Choose the location where you want to save the file. In this case, desktop is selected. Step 5. Enter name for the file as firstwebpage.html. Step 6. Click on Save button to save the file. Viewing a web page. After creating and saving a HTML document, you need to open it into a web browser to view it. To open a HTML document into web browser, perform the following steps. Step 1. Open the folder in which you have saved the HTML document. Step 2. Locate the file and double-click it. Web page opens in your default web browser window.